Why does a footballer eat fufu before a big match? The answer is carbohydrates, the body's quick energy fuel. Let's find out why. Carbohydrates are organic compounds made of three elements: carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Their general formula is CX(H2OY). Hydrogen and oxygen always appear in a 2-to-1 ratio. Carbohydrates come in three sizes. Monosaccharides are single sugar units. Disaccharides are two joined together. Polysaccharides are long chains of many units. Monosaccharides include glucose, fructose, and galactose. They share the formula C6H12O6. You taste them in mangoes, honey, and ripe pawpaw. They are the simplest sugars. Worked example 1. Join glucose and fructose, remove one water molecule, and you get sucrose, table sugar. This bond making with water loss is called condensation. Three key disaccharides to remember: maltose in malted drinks, lactose in milk, and sucrose in sugarcane. Each is two monosaccharides linked by a glycosidic bond. Worked example 2. Many glucose units join to form polysaccharides. Branched chains make starch, stored in cassava and yams. Straight chains make cellulose, the tough fiber in plant cell walls. Four polysaccharides to know. Starch stores energy in plants. Glycogen stores energy in animal liver. Cellulose strengthens plant walls. Chitin forms the hard shell of insects like crickets. Many students get this wrong. Humans cannot digest cellulose because we lack the enzyme cellulase. It passes through as dietary fiber, important for healthy digestion, not energy. Remember MDP. Mama di plenty. Mono is one sugar, di is two, poly is plenty. Carbohydrates equal carbon plus hydrated water, your body's main energy source. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com for your complete GCE preparation.